Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. Here we go with another little Hijet. This is an S510P, nice silver colour. This one's a 2014 year and it's a 660 petrol automatic 2 or 4 wheel drive. This one is a 3-side drop. You can see the bodywork, it's nice condition, no big dents or scratches. Chassis underneath is very clean as well. Not a rusty truck at all, hasn't been used in the snow looks like, which is good news. The 3-side drop, which they all are basically, but it is useful. The 3 sides drop down and makes a flat deck in the back. There's the deck there, good condition, no damage really at all. It's had this mat on it that's protected it, which is good. So that's, would look good if you take that off as well. You can see the drop sides, they're all decent. Now this is going to be arriving in the US fairly soon. You can buy this truck, one like this, or if you want to be a distributor for us, there's a lot of information on our website. That's SamuraiMini.com. These trucks are sold for off-road use only, so it's in competition really in the market with a UTV or ATV vehicle. Got a completely enclosed cabin, you can see that. So you can keep dry, keep warm, keep cool. It's got air conditioning. I'll start the engine up here. It's got air conditioning there, heater. So if you're comparing it with another UTV, then they don't have that usually. So you can keep yourself cool, dry or warm in here. Automatic transmission, as I mentioned, nice and easy to drive. The 4-wheel drive button's there. Press that. That light comes on the dashboard. Now you're in 4-wheel drive, and you can get out off the grass, wet grass, mud, snow. Put some bigger tyres on it, it'll do a bit more off-road as well. This one's got 12,000 kilometers, that's not much. 9,000 miles, 8,000 miles, not very much at all. Got a CD player as well. Very clean in here, as it should be with this mileage, and seats are in excellent condition. All that is looking good. So this one's going to leave very soon. We're selling a lot of these. These Daihatsu product is good. It is basically a Toyota. Daihatsu is made by Toyota. The Daihatsu company is owned by Toyota. They have a lot of influence in that company, and that's why these trucks probably are one of the best ones. So if you're interested in this vehicle, something like this, or as I mentioned, being a distributor for us in the US, have a look on our website, SamuraiMini.com. There's a lot of information on there about these. Thank you again for watching.